Rainforest SOS by Mill Lane School. Piranhas hunting, fish swim away from danger, bright colours gleaming. People want the wood, chainsaws cutting down the trees for wood furniture. They munch on big leaves, caterpillars eat slowly, some are poisonous. Rainforest spiders using their fangs to kill prey, hiding in their webs. Bees collect pollen, essential for the flowers in the rainforest. Some insects can kill and live on the forest floor, eating what they find. Butterflies fly high, butterflies land on nectar, they are in danger. Bats swooping through trees, squeaking high to find their prey, dark gloomy forest. Brightly coloured tree frogs. The tree frogs are in danger. Please help the tree frogs now. Trees are in danger. Bulldozers making mayhem, building new death roads.
When the trees have gone, storms wash away the dead earth, blocking up rivers. Farms taking over, trees destroyed for cattle, the rainforest shrinks.
Elephants stomp hard, the air is humid and warm, they are in danger. Bright colour flowers, all different shapes and sizes to attract insects. Lots of life in ponds, home for fish, frogs, water snakes and other creatures. Poisonous snakes kill, anacondas strangle rats, boas squeeze tightly. Hurt and endangered, jaguars are being killed. Please save them today. The lazy lizard flicks its long tongue to catch flies, then rests in the sun.
Miners dig big holes there, rubbish makes water bad, fish and others die. The monkeys need help, some monkeys are endangered, don't chop down the trees.
Birds brightly coloured, toucans in the canopy, parrots squawk and squeak. Orangutans' homes being burnt to clear the land, they are dying out. Medicine is found there, and all of the world needs it, don't let it be lost.
Drilling for the oil, trees are getting chopped quickly, help the rainforest. Rainforest destroyed, rainforest people dying, should we help them now?
Slow and endangered, sloths will leave us forever, please help them survive. Making oxygen, sun helps the rainforest grow, don't destroy it please. Millions of species living in a canopy, please don't destroy them. Trees being chopped down, animals don't feel safe now, even way up high. 8.5 million football pitch sizes cut down, the rainforest dies.
Spiders can move fast, making webs in the treetops, catching baby birds.
Please save the rainforest, it's important. Rainforest SOS by Mill Lane School.